Hi everyone, welcome to our video on robotics and robots. Today we'll be exploring the world of robotics, what they are, how they work, and what they can do. We'll also look at the different types of robots and their applications in various industries. So, let's dive in. What are robots? A robot is a machine that can be programmed to perform a series of tasks autonomously. They can be operated either by remote control or by an artificial intelligence system. They come in many different shapes and sizes, and can be used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. The history of robots. The concept of robots dates back to ancient times, where Greek mythology tells of automata made from gold and silver. The first modern robot was created in the 1950s, when the first industrial robot, the Unimate, was developed. Since then, robots have come a long way, and are now capable of performing tasks that were once thought impossible. How robots work. Robots work by using a combination of sensors, processors, and actuators. The sensors gather information about the robot's surroundings, such as distance, temperature, and light levels. The processors then interpret this information, and the actuators carry out the necessary actions. The actuators can be anything from motors and hydraulic cylinders to grippers and robotic arms. Types of robots. There are many different types of robots, each designed for a specific purpose. Industrial robots are used in manufacturing processes, while service robots are used in healthcare, hospitality, and other service industries. Mobile robots are used in warehouses and logistics, while humanoid robots are used in research and entertainment. Applications of robots. Robots are used in a variety of industries, and can perform tasks that are too dangerous, too complex, or too tedious for humans to do. In manufacturing, robots can perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. In healthcare, robots can be used for tasks such as surgery, patient monitoring, and rehabilitation. In space exploration, robots can be used to explore and study planets and other celestial bodies. The future of robotics. The field of robotics is constantly evolving, and there are many exciting developments on the horizon. One of the biggest areas of development is in the field of artificial intelligence. As AI becomes more advanced, robots will be able to perform even more complex tasks, and will be able to learn and adapt to their environment. In the future, robots will likely become even more advanced and will be used in new, innovative ways. And that concludes our video on robotics and robots. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these amazing machines and what they can do. Whether they're performing dangerous tasks in manufacturing, or assisting doctors in healthcare, robots are changing the way we work and live. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.